Today's question is, what is the smart speaker? What is its uses and is it beneficial to buy or not? So for answers of these questions, watch this video till the end. Basically, a smart speaker is a voice recognition device having inbuilt mic and a speaker to take voice input, perform some computations according to the command given to it and deliver a voice output as a result. These computations may be done by the device which is connected to it if it is not done by the smart speaker. Voice output may be of any type, may be a song or a reply or reading some text according to the functionality of the speaker. It is used to make manual tasks automatic like changing songs, turning on and off light, changing color of light, setting alarm, making notes, used to know weather conditions, etc. just through voice. All these things are automatic, only voice is needed to control everything. No manual or no human task is required. They are connected by the Bluetooth with your device, either smartphone, tablet or laptop, and take commands from the owner. Through this, they take information from your device. You can imagine on your own that how much life becomes easy with these speakers. No need to take decisions to set everything. No need to take care of your daily reminders. No need to find switches for everything with these speakers. Most of the things can be controlled, even the functions of a car, through the speaker sitting in the home just by ordering your smart speaker. These smart speakers are gonna be the upcoming future of the new era. This technology is of next generation. And if we talk about is it required especially in India, then I say yes. It is beneficial, especially for the families or the persons having fast life. It is basically beneficial for those who are busy in their day-to-day schedule, who does not have even a little bit time to spend or waste in stuffs like go and turn on or off the switch, go and pick up your phone to take calls, etc. It is also beneficial for the kids as it is the upcoming household product in recent years, which is gonna be used by most of the families and they can become familiar with that. People in smart cities do not have much time to waste as their life is fast. This is the best product to save their precious time. These type of speakers have very powerful, or we can say they have very sensitive mic, which has the ability to recognize the owner's voice even in noisy environment, and this depends upon the model of the speaker or indirectly power of the mic or price of the smart speaker. You can set on your own demand that either it recognizes your own voice only or you want to make it recognize every voices that it hears. More costly smart speaker you buy, more sensitive mic you will get from more low to more high frequency to understand the voice clearly in most of the environmental conditions, and crystal clear and loud speaker with good sound output that can be heard even if you are very far away from it. There are many companies that are providing smart speakers at different prices like Apple, JBL, Amazon, Asus, Bose, Google, Sonos, etc. If we talk about the best output sound quality, then Sonos One smart speakers is considered best. It has both voice assistant, Google's One and Amazon Alexa. If we talk about the best overall smart speaker, means not best but good in every aspect, then third generation Amazon Echo Dot is considered best in its price. If we talk about the best smart speaker for personal use, which can understand the voice easily and is flexible with any kind of voice, means smarter compared with other smart speakers, then Google Nest Mini is considered best smart speaker in its price range. If we talk about the best home speaker that can do more and more home related tasks, then second generation of Amazon Echo Plus is considered best as it can even detect any sort of sounds, like sound of burning, if something is on fire or a breaking of glass or anything, and it can be connected with more devices compared with others. If we talk about the best portable speaker that can fit in any space and is not too heavy like other ones, having good battery life and most important having water resistance of IPX7 rating, then JBL Link 20 is considered best. According to IPX7 rating, the JBL Link 20 can be submerged in water 1 meter deep for 30 minutes. And at last, if we talk about the best overall sound quality, which means the speaker can automatically adjust the sound according to the type of the music you are listening, then Apple HomePod is considered best. But here is only one drawback, that it has limited functionality, which means only limited devices are compatible with it, and a user can only play music from Apple devices having Apple Music services with voice commands. You can use it if this drawback doesn't bother you. The price of the smart speaker approximately starts from Rs 3000 and can be gone even more than Rs 60,000. If you like this video, then please click on like and hit red subscribe button at left to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon below so that you will never miss any upcoming video. Please comment below this video and tell me in which topic I will make my next video.